See how it mixed with eggs and all that. Going in. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make at home my favorite breakfast. So that's a skillet. So I got some hash browns, fresh mushrooms, red bell pepper, onion, and some tomatoes. Just like that. I got extra mushrooms because I love mushrooms. Okay, preheat the pan and put some olive oil. And now you put all these vegetables that you prepared. Salt, pepper, and now I have this grill here, so I'm not gonna turn on the outside, so I can use this for this just one order for me. So make sure it's hot. I got them 350 to 400, so, and it's very hot now. I'm gonna spray it a little bit first. Add hash brown, spray the hash brown just like this. Now I got some melted butter. Salt, pepper, flip the hash brown. You know, some parts of the grill it's not that hot, so you can tell in the middle. That's why the grill outside is very good. So it's gonna work fine. So now add this vegetables all over. See the juice? Try not to dump that. Okay. So now flip them. See? That's cold, so we're gonna time to move them where it's more hot. Now add the cheese. Toast ready. Skillet ready to go. Look at that. My God. So good. So now we're gonna cook the eggs after we finish cleaning the grill. Put some butter on it. Time to flip them. So I like my eggs over medium, quite done. So we are there. Just like this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay guys, we're done with a beautiful skillet. my favorite breakfast skillet. Look at that. 5 eggs. Amazing. So now, usually what I add on that, if I don't put jalapenos, I put some hot sauce. So, put some hot sauce. Don't miss this out. Or if you prefer ketchup, it's okay. You can add ketchup, whatever you like. But I like hot sauce. Beautiful. And now, for the toast, beautiful fig for my toast. This is amazing. I love this thing. If you haven't tried, get you some and try it. You're gonna love it. And some butter. So let's try this skillet. So you just bust these eggs in that skillet. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I've been craving this all morning. All those skillets we sell make me hungry. What? See how it mixed with eggs and all that? Going in. If you don't try it, you don't know what you're missing. God bless you all. I love you guys.